Escape rooms have always been about creating unforgettable adventures. But lately, it feels like you've hit a wall. There's only so much you can do with physical triggers, RFIDs, and switches. You want to craft something that's never been done before. Something that leaves players in awe. GameSense is the partner you've been looking for. It doesn't just follow your lead. It will inspire you to think bigger, to design without limits, knowing the technology will bring your vision to life. GameSense is like having a co-creator. Its AI-powered camera vision tracks every player move, interpreting actions in ways that traditional triggers never could. No more worrying about hidden switches or complex wiring. Just pure creativity unleashed. This is the future of escape rooms. Let GameSense be your key to unlocking it. Get ready to create something extraordinary.